What's going on, guys? David Productions 345 here. Today's video, we got a crazy car vlog, and yeah, without further ado, guys, let's jump right into it.
Gotta move my truck back over here.
Oh yeah? All right, y'all, so let's go over some cars we got here real quick. All right, y'all, we're gonna start down here. All right, what do we got over here? We got some cool shit. This is tough. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of Mazda, I think. This looks cool. We got the BMW. They got the Mopar stuff over here. Oh, my bad. Everybody's dipping, bro. But it's 11:19. We're gonna come back to all these cars later. This is tough. This color is so sick. Yo. What's up, bro? What color is this?
Stock is blue. This color is like a red. Romani red.
Dude, this is sick. I haven't seen this up close in person yet. Can I show you your stuff out again, bro?
Shout out my family member.
No.
G70 Mo.
Your Instagram page.
Guys, got to tell this guy here. G70 Mo.
G70 Mo.
Do you want a shout out? I go shout out my family member.
BMW, Audi, Infinity. This Audi is cool. Bunch of Audis. Man, I'm trying to get. Oh, look what we got over here. Want to check yourself out?
Sure. John R. Driven.
That's his car right
No,
here.
that's not mine.
Wait, what?
Mine's over here.
I was looking, I was like, wait, where's his car at?
Oh, this is mine.
Oh, yours is over here. Word. I swear that was...
No,
Oh,
he has the
that's-
same exact one. It just doesn't have the
Wait.
link.
Oh. Yeah, I would not have noticed that from this distance. That's cool though. Whose car is this? What we got here? Is this
Supercharged.
supercharged? Go ahead.
All right, I'm Ian. This is my 2018 Mustang. It's got a VMP magazine supercharger, and my @ is who's_ENA.
Who's _ENA?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What color is this? This looks tough.
It's magnetic gray.
Magnetic gray.
Yeah.
What else you got?
Carbon hood.
Carbon hood. Cool. Oh yeah.
That's pretty much it.
How much power if you don't want to?
780.
Oh shit. You got big ass wheels in the back or
No,
tires?
not right now. I'm probably gonna put a drag back on it.
Okay. About to say, how you catching traction, bro?
I don't.
You don't?
No, not yet.
Is it auto or stick? That's the one. Stick?
Yeah.
Type shiver right here. All right, I'm gonna give you a follow though, for real though. I'm David Productions 345 on YouTube, Instagram, YouTube, bro.
Alright, I got a 2011 Charger. I put the 6.4 head.
Hold on, they can't hear you because these damn bees. All right, go ahead.
6.4 head, 6.4 manifold, cam lifters, headers, exhaust all the way to the back. Stage 1 tune, SRT steering wheel, SRT bumpers, headlights. You name it, I did it. Wheel catch can, front bar, all that.
It looks really good. It has the
And I got
trailer.
the carbon fiber lip in the front, and I got the wing on the back too.
Oh yeah, and then you got the short tire braze intake and shit.
Hell yeah.
Catch can. This is clean, bro.
Yes, sir. You got the next clean joint. You got the twins.
Yeah, we're basically twins except you got a little bit more going on and shit, bro.
Yeah, and you definitely gotta go SRT bumper on the back. Change that diffuser. That
Oh
shit's
wait,
so raw.
I gotta put that in the video. Hold on.
You know, y'all definitely been.
Look at the wheels too, yo. Wait, so how do you get the one spoke? Do you like have something painted?
Nah, Shelby wrapped it.
Shelby?
did that.
Oh,
Shelby
word?
wrapped that.
Oh, that's sick.
She wrapped that. She did the trayway on the front.
Oh, that's
And I got
sick.
that, you can see.
Tinted taillights. Is this like Lux or some shit, or is it just
Nah,
like
it's just
covers?
regular tint, carbon
Okay.
fiber wing, 5-inch tips.
Carbon fiber wing. Hopefully you guys can see that. 5-inch tips. Damn, your taillights are almost more full than mine, bro. But yeah, let's hear it real quick. Oh, a light show type shit?
Yeah, hold on, let me see if it start up.
said she has a cam too, right?
Yeah, stage 1 cam.
Stage 1 cam? Okay.
Yeah, competition joint.
That's sick.
That's coming out. All about to come out. I don't know which one I'm going with next.
Okay.
I think I chewed that one up. So.
You were telling me something about you wanted to like rebuild your motor or something?
Yeah, I'm about to rebuild the motor. I'm going to pick up a cam tomorrow. I got 6 floor injectors that's going in here.
So you got some big plans for this thing,
Yeah,
basically.
I got some big plans. And I got to do tunes. So.
What's your power that you're trying to chase?
At least like 600.
600
Yeah,
type
I'm
shit.
trying to go 600.
What wheels you got? 305s?
Nope.
275s?
255.
What? In the back?
Yeah, 255
In the back?
All the way around. 255, 45, 20s.
Whoa. You be spinning like crazy?
A little bit.
Rear wheel drive only, I'm assuming?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. You be going
And
like...
and I did a dip swap.
Oh, yeah.
Dip
You were saying that.
Definitely did a dip swap.
306, 309?
309.
309 Skydive?
Yeah.
Nice, too.
But yeah, I don't know what else I really want to go do next. Too crazy. I do want to wrap it too, though. I don't know what color yet, so I'm definitely.
Don't take purple, bro. Purple's my color. I'm gonna do that shit
I don't know
next,
which
bro.
one I want to go. I don't want to go purple, but I do want to go like a bright color, though. I don't
Do you know
which one
that dude who has a purple one, though?
Yeah, I know you talk about. Yeah, I've seen his car.
I need to link up with him because I've never like met him though.
Yeah, I've definitely seen his car come out. That's really nice.
What color though would you do though, bro? Something different?
I want to really go like that gray, black, camel kind joint, but I don't know yet.
That would be look good with the wheels and shit too.
Yeah, I don't know yet. And I'm taking these center caps out. I want to change them for you. Do a feature on your car real quick. Talk about your car. Do a feature.
Oh, you got shit done.
Yes, you did. Bro, you got
It's a purple
you got
Jeep.
rims, you got some wraps.
All cosmetic.
What kind of Jeep is it?
SRT.
SRT Jeep?
But it's like
All
stock.
you gotta do is talk about
Bro,
it.
it's a cool color.
Yeah, you got
You want to at least go over like what color, like what wheels you got? It's some basic shit,
I don't
bro.
even know. You got the rims. You got the
Bro, like the Browns rims are like tough.
wing.
He said he ain't got much done, but he got hella shit done.
Show your shit. You got the burler exhaust.
Not that much. It's really not that much.
The wheels are cool, bro. The color and the wheels by themselves are tough.
Got some brass monkeys. I mean, they're expensive.
I mean, yeah, sure. So, anything underneath here? Also, the hood's cool. Oh shit!
It's really not crazy, bro. I don't even got a cold air intake.
What year is this?
15.
15? 15
Yeah,
Jeep
man.
SRT.
Stock. 390. You know, 392.
For now, though, right?
Oil catch can. That's about it.
You about to do some crazy shit to this thing next one?
Think about doing a 90mm throttle body.
Okay.
I was gonna do corset intake,
Okay.
and then I mean it's a 6.4. It's not much you could do really unless you go ready to put some bread in it.
That makes sense.
Maybe a couple little things, but nothing too crazy. The wrap, it's a 101 wrap.
101 wrap?
You don't see this shit. You don't see this color. I promise you. You
What's
won't ever see
what's the
this
color
exact stuff.
called?
I don't even know. Off the top of my head, I gotta go.
Bro, do you know what's so funny? I was trying to do a purple that's like almost this color too.
Yeah, but like you'll see like similar, but I promise you, you won't see the exact.
Sparkly too.
You know, you won't see the exact thing, and then
It's some Thanos shit with the wheels, bro.
yeah, these wheels are a little
Brass
dirty.
monkey.
Don't
6
mind
piston
them.
Bremels in the front, big as hell.
They're nice. They sparkle when they clean.
Oh, yeah.
They're dirty right now.
Hey, bro, it's all good to do. This color's hard.
I got it's got a boiler cat back. I
Okay.
gutted the cats, and then I got a burble tune on it.
Little burble, you said?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
a
shit,
burble.
watch that. Shit.
I got a burble tune on it.
And then you got this too.
Yep, I got this.
You guys can see that.
Yeah, I got this.
Big ass
And
tips.
we got two 10s in the back.
210 subs.
Sure.
Word. Taking up the whole damn trunk.
Yeah, two 10s back
Damn.
here. They be bumping.
Okay. Oh, wavy kid pulled up. That's what it was. Hell yeah.
3 days later.
Alright guys, it is a few days later. Quick update. This is how the car is looking right now. The wheels are on. I didn't really do a video showing these too much. Kind of just jumped into it. The last video. So these are some nice Daytona wheels from an 06 to 10 Charger. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. These honestly look so sick. Not gonna lie, these are not my favorite wheels, but like the poke is just right where it's not too much. Obviously it looks good with the hood. And black wheels, I used to hate them, but I low-key like them now. They make the brakes stand out more. They look a lot better personally. And the only thing is they're kind of small for the car. Like the back legit looks perfect in terms of how much it sticks out. A little bit more would be nice, but I can't run stagger wheels. Actually, I think I could, but I don't know if I want to. Anyways, this is how the car looks. I think it looks sick. Comment down below what you guys think. And this is the current whip. This is the current update. I still haven't had time to do this, even though this whole week I've been home and there's been time. This air is really bad quality and I can't really breathe too well when it's this bad quality. So I've been kind of just chilling, guys. That's why there's been no crazy videos this week. I went to a car meet last week. That's what this footage is from. You guys are watching, so hopefully you guys stayed. Y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. What color emblem I should put on here. Or just leave it silver. The red kind of faded off. I mean, it looks good still. I feel like the red looked better. Like, it looked so much better. But maybe we'll just have to do that when we eventually get this car wrapped. So, before I go, guys, I want to show you guys one more thing that I got in the mail. Coming soon for another video. I didn't want to show you guys the whole process in this video because the air is still not great quality, like I said before. So what we're going to do real quick is show you guys that. Okay, so you guys want to see the surprise coming soon? Quick sneak peek. Oh no, what is this? Guys, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited to install. It's going to be awesome. Hopefully it works. A subscriber hit me up, told me it's really easy to do, told me it's worth it. Also, my dog is in the background barking, so sorry about that. But yeah, I am going to be installing that soon. A lot of people were asking me a while ago, when are you going to install CarPlay? And I was like, I don't know if I'm going to do it. And I realized I like CarPlay, and it's really cool. And this kit right here, stay tuned for the full video. Have not installed it yet. Air quality's been too bad to do it, but this kit was $148 shipped to my house. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, guys, without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoyed this kind of vlog style video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And honestly, guys, this summer we're going to be doing a lot of maintenance on my car because I originally was going to sell it. And now I'm probably going to keep it. The car I wanted to get sold. So fluids like diff fluid all the way back here. Going to be used, obviously. Guys, I have so much I needed to do with this car. Spark plugs, differential fluid changes, suspension changes, brakes. That's literally like probably like $2,000 right there in parts. And honestly, I'm excited. I'm just waiting for the right week to do it so I can start Tuesday night when I get home from work and hopefully be done by Friday morning because that's when I work. So without further ado, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Let me know if you guys like this video. Shout out to everybody who was in this video, all the cool cars I've seen at the car meet. Stay tuned for this video coming very soon. And without further ado, guys, me and Raven will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.